In this example, I'm gonna replace this area with this image. So what we're gonna do is, the first thing, let's go back, go to this image, then unlock this image, then press and hold Control to select this, then press Control C to copy and go over here, then paste here, Control V to paste, then keep it underneath like this. Then here we want to make selection, so we can use the pen tool to make selection. Just select this area like this, then right click and make selection. So the feather radius you can choose 1 pixels, then click OK. Then what you will do is press and hold Alt, then layer mask with edit paste like this. Or otherwise, a simple way is always the previous one. That's, you can select this area, then copy this one, then go to edit, copy special, and paste special and paste into. That's the easy method. Or otherwise, you can just select this image and press Ctrl T, then right click, then you can choose the perspective or change the perspective like this or like this. Okay, this was previous one. You can change the perspective like this. So thank you.